You want to save 50% on the price of vinyl flooring? Yeah, 50%. He said yeah. Well, Floor & Decor has a product that's half the price of Nucore. That means that's half the price of Lifeproof also. It's called Duralux. Today we're going to review it and see if it's as good as its big brother, Nucore. It's half the price. Does that mean it's half as good? I hope not. And just for fun, while we do the review, I'm going to show you how easy it is to install, and you can see what it looks like. We're going to run the video. I said the video. The video from our installation. Let's find out today on Jones Knows.
It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be.
I installed the Duralux this week and I want to do a review on my product. I figured we'd come out to the store, take a look at some of the other colors they have to offer, and get a little bit more information about the product in general. Let's take a look at the world of Duralux at Floor & Decor. Oh, so they have these really inexpensive ones here, but I noticed that is a 3mm. They actually have a 3mm product. I would stay away from that. That's just too thin. Another 3mm, and then we get to our 5mm, which jumps up to, they go from $1.59 to $1.99 in the 5mm. So I don't think I would do the 3mm. They say it's the rigid core, but I just worry it's just too thin. 30-year residential on the 3mm, floor locking, on, below, or above grade, 22 square feet in a box. Looks like they're 5-inch wide planks. Everything's pretty similar. You go to lifetime on the 5mm, that tells you something. And that one, the 3mm, has no commercial warranty to a 10-year commercial warranty. Everything else is the same. And then we jump all the way up to, okay, so this is an important thing here. The 3mm has a 6mm wear layer. Now, 6mm is not much, but that is what Lifeproof has. So that's scary. That's half the price of Lifeproof. But this is a thinner floor, so we can't compare these two head to head. It's not fair. We get up to $1.99. We go with the bigger warranty, and we go double the wear layer of 12mm. And it looks like we're going to level off at 12mm on even when we go up to $2.59. The warranty, everything stays the same. They have a nice, I guess if you're looking for a tile, which people do, not a lot, but they do. This is a nice lighter gray, Veil Grayish rigid core. And then we come over here, another $2.39 product. All the bells and whistles are the same. This one is a Valley Mist. That one's not horrible. You know, I guess at $1 less, if you had a lot of square footage, it's worth it. I really like this one here. This is the windmill. This is a favorite of mine, in the probably my most favorite. This is probably my favorite one. I could definitely say that the windmill oak is probably my favorite Duralux product. I just think it's, for the money, you can't beat the texture. It looks realistic. To me, it's a good value. It's probably one of the best deals in the store at $1.99. Does it have the wear layer of Nucore? No, but it's twice the wear layer of Lifeproof. So that tells you something. It gives you that lifetime warranty and a 10-year commercial. It has the texture. It really does have a lot of the bells and whistles. Let's come over here to some of their other products. If you want a really dark, this ebony is probably not the one for you, because it's not super dark to me. I mean, it has more of a gray than a black in it. So I'm not a big fan of that one. And you can see people are trying to scratch it in the store. Dark colors always show scratches a lot easier. If you notice the scratches, we get that to focus. We go into a Heritage Bamboo Rigid Core. That's interesting. That's definitely not on display because it's not a bamboo. And we'll have to see. That's Tuscany Grayish. And then the one below it, that's the Heritage Bamboo. Which, you know what, I'm just not a big fan of bamboos, but maybe in vinyl bamboo would be better. We're gonna get into doing some videos on bamboo, but let me tell you, bamboo scares me. In the near future, we're gonna get into bamboo videos, but bamboo scares me. I've seen a lot of bad installs and a lot of problems with the install down the road. So that's for another video. In vinyl, there's not much that can go wrong with bamboo though. Oh, here it is. The one that we did this week. This is a really nice one, the Lennox Estate. I like the texture. It doesn't have the hand scraping, but it's a darker with lighter in it. It hides a lot of mistakes. Nobody lives a perfect life, guys. You might think you do. If you have kids and pets, or anybody ever comes over your house, then accidents happen. Here we are with a Satchel Farms. So at $239. When I get to $239, a few cents more, and I can go right up to the Big Brother in Nucore. So at $239, I'm starting to figure out, do some math with my square footage and see how much to upgrade to the next level. So you got to take that into consideration. Brings us to, oh, look at this. Wow, they thought they were being slick here. We'll make this one $238, not $239. The Twilight. It's decent if that's the line, if that's the color you're looking for, but it doesn't have a lot of. Again, it's just textured. There's no hand scraping or anything like that. And then we get into the laminate. You see the difference from a laminate? Hear that? See the difference? What a lot of people don't realize is vinyl by itself, without any underlayment, deadens sound. It's almost a sound barrier. So I've been told once by a rep that his vinyl rated at a 55 IIC, which if you know anything about padding or you research padding, paddings go anywhere from 50 to 80. So his vinyl with nothing under it gave you a 55. So vinyl deadens sound on its own versus laminate, which, you know, is the opposite. That was the lineup. Not as many colors as Nucore, but what do you expect for a fraction of the price? But that's not true. Some of it's half price, but a lot of it's only 50, 60 cents less. So we don't expect it to have as much selection because you're paying less money. It's just how it works in this world. Is the quality is good? Well, here's my opinion. The 3 mil for $1.59? Nope. Don't waste your money on it. Go with a good laminate before I would go with that. They're just too thin. I'm just not a fan of them. I don't even think they look good. Don't go with the cheapest vinyl out there that's 3 mil just to say you have vinyl. Isn't that crazy? Just to say we have vinyl. Vinyl is something that you never wanted to admit you had before, but now we're wanting it in our homes. Everybody wants it. It's a great product. The name is the biggest problem. I wish they would have came out with a new name when they reinvented it. We're stuck with the vinyl name. Let's embrace it. He's got to have an opinion on everything. So then we look at the ones that are $239, $249. I think they might have went up to $269. At that point, I may consider doing the math and seeing what's the difference with going up to Nucore for that. Nucore is $299. They even have some for a little bit less. Duralux $269 is a 30 cents, 20 to 30 cents difference. On 1,000 square feet, that's $200. Chances are you don't even have 1,000 feet, so it's probably going to be pennies on the dollar. $199 price point. That's another story. So at $199, the Windmill Oak is without doubt my favorite color in the Duralux line. It looks great, very realistic. The price is great. Now that's a good savings. Any of the $199 ones, I'm all in favor of. He wants all the attention. That's okay though, because we had a little scare this week. We were in the vet twice. We thought it was, at one point I was pretty worried. I thought maybe something bad was going to happen. And it was a big scare that he gave us. So now, you can do whatever you want. But anyways, wow, we've digressed. Back to Duralux. I think it's a good floor. I think it's a good option if you're on a budget. 1,000 feet of Duralux, you're saving $1,000 based off the price of Nucore. That's some good cheddar right there. That's some good change. That's a lot of money. So I would definitely take a look at what they have to offer. If you see a color that you love, think that it's a quality product, doesn't have all the bells and whistles of Nucore, it doesn't have the wear layer of Nucore, but it has the wear layer and then some of Lifeproof. If you want to save a bunch of money, then it's worth it, you know. They don't have a color you like, don't go for it, because you don't want to put a floor in that you hate. I hope you found this review useful. I hope it was educational. I hope it was interesting. Please subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, as well as our everyday flooring, stair, and of course our travel videos from Disney to destinations unknown, and of course our cat videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.